Alright? Hi guys, we're here at the Residences at Calamba, Laguna. As you can see, this is so big, so beautiful. So ito yung clubhouse nila. So guys, I will tour you today and enjoy!
Welcome to Calamba, Laguna. We're now here at V. So this is the unit Stella. So we're about to check the unit here. So come with me.
Pero kung
I love it.
Ito 150 yung front.
So this is the living room.
Harper to.
Hindi, Stella.
Hi, Stella.
This is the
Pero
dining
kasama na to.
Oo. So ito yung master's bedroom.
So this is the master's bedroom. So ayan. Hindi kasama yung unit dito. I mean, hindi kasama yung mga furnitures. However, pwede nyo siyang i-design as like this. So as you can see, it's so beautiful. Ayan. So pwede ka dyan may kang table. And then, ayan, pwede mo ilagay yung TV dito. And they do have these cabinets built-in. They do have built-in cabinets na ba?
Yes.
Okay. So kasama na siya. So ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. Check. Super ganda. Yan o. Ang ganda pa ng kanyang, ano ba to? Anong klase na to? Yung wood niya. Super ganda. Yan. Ang dami mong malalagay dito, guys. Super. Aside from that, meron din silang isa dito. Ayan. So, ito na ang ating CR. Ang ating comfort room. Which is super ganda because dalawa na yung kanyang sink. Ayan. Pasok ka. So, ito na. Dalawa yung sink niya. Ayan. So, pang his and hers. Hindi na kayo nag-aagawan. So, ito. Ayan. Super ganda. Super, super elegant ng dating. And, ayan, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng mga kung ano-ano eksena ni John. And of course, this is the garden. Scenery. Pagising mo, makikita mo yan. Good morning! Ganon.
Mini pocket garden.
Yeah. So, ito may mirror. So, pwede nyo siyang gayahin, di ba? Yung style nito mismo. This is so beautiful. And dito sa village na to, it's so tahimik. Talagang super quiet siya. Super quiet siya. So, yan. This is very aesthetic. Ayan. Instagrammable na. And then, next is our dining, living room. This is our living room. So, ayan, another scenery na naman. Napakaganda talaga niya, guys. And, of course, the dining room. Yan, ang ating dining table, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8-seater na siya. So, pwede niyo siyang gayahin, guys. Diba? Napakaganda. Look at is this kasama?
No.
No. So, pwede niyo siyang pagaya. And of course, this one. Diba? Ang ganda. So, pag mag-host kayo ng mga parties, diba? Pwede. And now, let's go to the kitchen. So, this kitchen is so beautiful. Kasi, look guys, as in, kasama to.
No.
No. Hindi siya kasama pero pwede kayo magpalagay. So, at least you have an idea na yan. So, pwede tayo magluto-lutuan dito. Ayan.
Pero ito
So,
kasama.
Ito kasama. Ito guys is kasama.
And cabinets.
And the cabinets and kasama. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siya i-design as ganyan pero kasama na siya. Itong mga ganyan, yung mga cabinets. Ayan. Oh, so another, ano na naman to, scenery. Ayan. Ito hindi rin kasama pero may idea kayo kung saan nyo ilalagay yung ref ninyo. So, ang saya. So, gusto mo ng peaceful life? Peaceful. So, dito tayo. So, may another powder room tayo. May powder room tayo, which is so big. This is so big. Ang ganda niya. This is so big. I love it. This is so big. Ayan. So, yan. Kung gusto nyo dito, yan, may mga visitors kayo. This is so perfect. Yan. So, this is the Stella unit. So, punta naman tayo. Saan tayo pupunta?
Second floor.
Pero may mga rooms din dito.
Ayan, ito pa yung laundry area.
Okay, so this is the laundry area.
No, that's storage.
This is the storage. Sorry. This is the storage.
Ayan.
Oh, hi! So this is the storage area. So, ayan. And then after this is the the laundry area, which is, you can design it whatever you want.
And you have
And this is the
Maids.
helper's room, the maid's room. There's another room here. It's up to you kung anong gusto nyo gawin. But, yeah, ideally for mga helpers. And then this is the laundry.
meron siyang sariling CR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at least you'll have an idea kung paano nyo siya ilalagay. So we'll go up to the second floor. So here, this is so beautiful kasi parang, oh my God, parang yung light niya, super open. So natural light. So makakatipid pa kayo ng inyong light. Ganon. So ayan, super good. Guys, it's so beautiful. Ilang square meters to?
It's a 330 square meters.
330 square meters. Oh my God, guys. You have to see this. Come here. Come here. So, sino mahilig dyan mag-party? So, sino gusto mag-bar? So, ito. May kasama na ba ganito? Okay. So, may kasama na ganito. Yan. So, pwede kayong mag-inuman dito or chill cocktail. So, napakaganda niya, guys. So, this one is... Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Is this a massage room? Yeah, pwede bang massage na? Super ganda niya, guys. May sarili ko yung massage room. So, sa mga mahilig mo massage, ayan, super ganda dito. Sobra. Ayan. Nasa sa inyo naman yan, guys, kung gusto nyo maging massage room nyo to or whatever. Kasi dito may another, you can actually do this as another room for your kids. Bahala kayo. But of course, ito ang massage room. Tapos another CR na naman siya. And it's so nice. So nice, grabe. Super nice talaga dito. Tsaka tahimik, guys. And ayan, guys, as you can see, this one naman is, meron tayo dito.
Open air.
Open lanay. Diba? Sobrang ganda yan, guys. So, kung sino mahilig kayo mag-host, mag-party, pwede kayo mag-party dito. Ayan. So, party. So, ayan. So, kung interested kayo, kontakin nyo lang yung ating sales manager. Lalagay ko yung kanyang contact number sa description. So, mag-tour pa tayo, guys. Papakita ko pa sa inyo. Hindi pa tayo tapos. So, this is, I guess, the family room. Of course, this is the family room. Napakaganda yun, guys. So, how many rooms do we have?
Total of 5 plus 1.
Okay, so,
It's the storage.
this is another storage room. So, sa mga may maraming gamit dyan, this is so perfect. Another storage room. And, oh my God, this is so nice. Oh no, this is so nice talaga. Look at this. Oh my God. Super nice talaga niya. Tapos ito mga built-in cabinet na to. Kasama na to.
Yes.
Okay? So, oh my God. So, lagay mo lang dyan yung mga gamit ninyo. Sobrang ganda niya. Another scenery, which is pagising nyo. Boom! Pwede ka maglagay dyan ng mga eksena ninyo. So, this is of course, the CR, the bathroom, which is so big. Ang ganda niya. Then, let's go to the next one. So, this one, okay. Oh my God, what's this? Another room. It's up to you kung anong gusto nyo. Pwede sa office. Nasa sa inyo na yan, guys. So, it's up to you kung anong gusto niyo. Bahala kayo dyan. Basta yan ang gagawin natin. So, here is another bathroom here. Super nice niya. Yung sink niya is super nice as well. Ayan. So, maganda siya. Mukhang matitibay, guys, ang kanyang mga gamit dito, no? So, let's go to the next room, which is art room. So, pwede siyang art room or another bedroom. Nasa sa inyo na yan. Pero sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, ang daming rooms dito. This is so nice. Another bathroom. So, halos lahat ng rooms may CR. Yan. So, yun yung maganda dito. Yan. So, guys, remember, it's 330
30.
square meters. Yan. And then, kung gusto nyo ulit mag-relax, gusto nyo, fresh air, labas na tayo dito. And here we are. This is the view. Oh my God. This is so nice. So I really love it. So guys, pag interested kayo, you can also message me, and then the description below lalagay ko na lang kung sino yung kukontakin nyo. But you can always email me if you want. So ayan guys. So dyan nagtatapos ang ating vlog. So once again guys, this is V in Calamba, Laguna. Magdali lang siya guys for Manila. Super fast lang talaga siya. And then ang ganda ng clubhouse nila. Tanaw nyo ang clubhouse nila. So as you can see, that's the clubhouse. So once again, the name of this village is V-I-E.
At Southern Plains.
Southern Plains. And of course, this unit is Stella. Ayan. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mommy Ames. Thank you. Bye. So guys, lalabas na tayo. This is the door. Oh, diba? Bongga. So nice. Bye guys. Okay na.